Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a mummy undress to impress. Go here and color your skin a pale white. Then you will need these items. You're going to need these pants. Sorry, that's annoying. And then these stockings. And then this, the turtleneck one. And then you will need the gloves as well, no fur. And then we are going to get the sleeping mask as well as the medical mask. And then we're going to color, we're going to use the flowy hair, this one, and we're going to select more animated. For the pattern, we are going to only use one thing, which is this pattern. I'm just going to try to color it the same color as that. Maybe like this color, and then the rest we are going to use that pattern. So just apply it like that. Then you're going to apply it to everything like so. I'm just going to do type 3 so it blends a little bit better. But that is it. If you want to maybe change your hair a little bit, I think I might do this color. And then for the pose, I'm just going to hit the Halloween pose back and maybe select the zombie one. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.